Hi everybody, it's Carole. I'm going to do a balloon with black base. Still working on my consistency. This is some black house paint, eggshell, mixed with a little bit of deep base, almost black sample that I picked up. It's a little bit thicker. I wanted to thicken up my other paint. So it seemed to help a little bit, help a lot actually. So I'll leave that, and I think that might be enough paint. And that's not mixed with anything. So there's my colors, if you can see. Green, magenta, purple, and gold. This is a Artist Loft Sap Green. Where did I put that? Level 2. It's semi-transparent. I have Quinacridone Magenta, semi-transparent, I believe, yeah, by Basics. I have Prism Violet by Basics. This is transparent. And then I have gold, which is semi. Okay, so I'm going to start with my green. There's all my little sticks gone. I tried to make this thinner than the base. I think it's almost the same as the base. It's not really thinner, but it's about the same. Close. And I thinned them down with some varnish. So this is mixed with my untinted base and PolyAcrylic. And I got my magenta. Let's see. This feels actually a little thinner than the green did. I think it thickened up on me. And I have my Prism Violet. And I always try to do a test before I try a new consistency. And this is my This is my test canvas. So I just get a cheap canvas and I just do my tests on it and see if I get cells, see how it flows. Works pretty good. And you don't waste a lot of paint. I mean, you still could if it, didn't go the way you wanted, but this is just a small canvas. I think it's 4 by 4. Start small until you get your exact technique down. Okay. Did I do my, oh yeah, my magenta's right underneath there. I covered them all up. And this is my Amsterdam white just with water. I'm going to try this for a while till I get my consistency, and if not, then I might try the floetrol way. But all right. Now, sometimes I use my big straw, sometimes I use my little straw, sometimes I use my breath. So I think I'm going to use my red straw today. Wow. I didn't. I think I'll put another dot. Another dot right there. Oops, stuck my straw in there. Well, I don't know. This isn't working very well. There, that's better. I think I was supposed to go more straight down. Well, I'll see what happens when I stretch it. They might all disappear, I don't know. See if they stretch. And bring it back to the center. Oh, I love how that gold and purple. I'm going to go this way. Sometimes you have to add, you can add a little more just to help it flow. There it goes. It's coming. Well, I did have green there, but I think the green just disappeared. I should try these colors with white. There we go. All right, that doesn't look too bad. I think it looks actually really pretty. I love the colors on top of the black. Just gonna put some more paint over here. There, what do you think? I agree, I think it's great. I love the colors. I got lacing in the middle, which is good. I don't have a big white blob. So I think it's pretty good. What do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think. And I will have my recipe in the comments. You still have to check your consistencies. The colored paints should be a little thinner than the base. These were pretty close, and then the top white is thinner. All right, well, have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.